welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a student result web application which have the different academic sessions like early year, the basic school and the college level. So all in one in this web application. So this web application is created by using the Google Sheet as a database and Google Web App Script. Okay, so for now you can able to see here a student come and enter their admission number. So let me enter the admission number for this early year stage students. Okay, so in the Google Sheet you can see this is early year and this is their admission number, and this here the student will enter their date of birth. So what is the date of birth you can see here? So it's today. So I just simply select here today date of birth for demo purposes and click on this search result. So when I click on this search result, as of now you can able to see here this is the student demo data, and this is attendance. School days 90 days, but days attended by the student is 85, the days absent is 5. And this is the termly report for first term 2025 and 2026 academic session. And you can see these are the subjects and these are the CAs, projects, class activities, exams and total and grade everything. So the remarks you can see here. Okay, so another thing, there is a analysis of the result. Subjects offered is 8, marks obtainable is 800, and marks obtained is 653, and student average is this particular. And you can see this is the grade categories, and this grade categories will automatically implies here. If this marks above than 80 means this will be the A grade. Let me show you the demo, and here I will just need to add here the 56. Okay, I just need here the 56. Okay, fine. I just simply click on this search mode and enter the admission number and select the date of birth and click on this search result. So when I click on this search result, as of now you can able to see here the sum of these numbers will be the 90, means it will lie in this A positive. Okay, so this is the distinction, and there are, you can see, effective, and this is the assessment and everything you can see here. And here you can see from teacher's name, teacher A, comment from this one, and signatures and the date. So if you want to make a print, you can simply make a print like professional result, something like that. So you can see on the A4 paper size the print will be professional size, and this is the student image, not the logo. I am using here for demo purposes, but if you want to add the student picture, you can simply add here your student picture, and all the data you can update from here. So okay, you can see the teacher name, the teacher comments and everything you can update in your Google Sheets. But here the twist is that if you want to download the PDF, so the PDF will be automatically downloaded, something like that. Okay, so if you click on the search mode, now the basic schools come. The basic school comes have something different subjects. Okay, so you just simply enter their admission number. This is the admission number and this is the date of birth. Okay, fine, and this is today, and click on this search result. So when I click on this search result, as of now in previous subject we have the total 8 subjects. In previous result for early year we have total 8 subjects, and here we have the 13 subjects. Okay, so this is the thing. Remaining all the things will be exactly same, and you can see there is a school days and there is a days attendant and there is days absent. So there is a photo we don't have right now, the student picture URL here. So if you will add the student picture URL here, so then the image will be displayed to you. Let me show you the demo. So this is my logo image, and I just paste it here and click on this search mode, and I just simply enter my admission number and then date of birth and click on this search result. So when I click on this search result, as of now you can able to see here now the student picture is being displayed correctly. Okay, okay, so this web application is also give you the mobile friendly interference, the mobile friendly view as well. Let me show you the demo. So this is the on the mobile results, something like that. On mobile you will see the result view, something like that. This is the preview of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is 12 Pro, and this is Samsung S20 Ultra. So something like that, you can easily do it. Okay, now the last thing is that search mode, and this is a college secondary. Okay, so this is a college sheet. There is admission number same, and this is the date of birth same. Okay, so I just need to paste my admission number here and then the date of birth and then click on this search result. So when I click on this search result, as of now you can able to see here this also have the 13 subjects and this will be the same. Okay, you understand them. Now the thing is that how you can set up this. If you want any kind of customization in this student result web application, you can simply contact us. The contact details is available in the first comment or in the description. So without any hassle you can contact us for any kind of customized project which you need for your schools, for your businesses. We can build the best CRMs and we can build a best customized solutions as per according to your need. So how you can set up this? So whenever you get the link, you will see the URL, you will see the screen something like that, you will see the screen something like that. Okay, then simply click on this make a copy, and when you click on this make a copy, as of now you can able to see here this Google Sheet is being successfully copied in your Google Drive. Okay, now you can see here is an extension button, you just simply click on this extension and click on this app script. So when you click on this app script, as of now you can able to see here the code.js or the index.html is already there. Now you just simply click on this deploy and click on this new deployment. So when you click on this new deployment, sometime you will see the interference something like that. Don't worry, just simply click on this settings and click on this web app and select here anyone and click on this deploy. So when you click on this deploy, as of now you can able to see here it will ask you to authorize access. So when you click on this authorize access, then you will see it will give you the pop-up something like that. Simply click on this advanced and go to untitled project. Okay, and then simply click on this continue. So when you click on this continue, then it will give you a web app URL which you can embed in your Google site, in your Blogger website using the iframe, or in your WordPress website, or you can directly send this URL to your students to check their results online. Okay, so hope you like this. So there is a one thing, there is a one question, how you can add, how you can add or rename your own logo or your own name of the school. So first simply copy this particular name and just go to your index.html and simply press Ctrl F and then paste it here. Okay, then paste it here, then you will see there is a rummy scripts, you can simply replace them. So on the 5 places we have right now rummy scripts. Okay, so this is also, and this is the school name. So let me change it with one, remove scripts one, and simply click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now you can able to see here the data will be updated successfully on the front end. Okay, so you need to rename them in the multiple places. So where's we, let me find it. Okay, so this is the here, and you just simply click here +1, and then you can see here your front end is updated successfully with your new name. Okay, so why the front end is not updated? Because we are not in the development link here. We are in the public URL. So what we need to do, simply click on this deploy and click on this manage deployment. So when I click on this manage deployment, you just need to click on this edit and make it new version and click on this deploy. So when you click on this deploy, then refresh your web application, then your data is updated to the new one. So in this way you can set up this on your end. So we thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share it with your friends. So thank you very much. Take care.